The 2034 FIFA World Cup is set to redefine global football, and Saudi Arabia is at the heart of this transformation. With 11 cutting-edge stadiums being built from scratch and 4 existing ones undergoing extensive renovations, the scale of this project is unprecedented. The crown jewel will be a colossal stadium seating over 92,000 fans, while another venue will rise 350 meters above ground in a futuristic city powered entirely by renewable energy. From cliffside marvels to designs inspired by local culture, these stadiums will push the boundaries of architecture and technology. But with such ambitious plans come challenges, including sustainability, logistics, and controversies surrounding human rights. As Saudi Arabia positions itself on the world stage, the stakes couldn't be higher. How would these stadiums look in reality? And what makes them stand out as true architectural and engineering marvels? Let's find out. King Salman International Stadium. At the heart of Riyadh lies what will soon become the jewel of Saudi Arabia's World Cup effort, the King Salman International Stadium. With a staggering capacity of 92,000, this will be the largest stadium in the kingdom, designed to host the tournament's opening and closing matches. The stadium will feature integrated rooftop gardens and 96,500 square meters of greenery, symbolizing a push towards sustainability. Its advanced cooling systems and retractable roof will ensure comfort, even under the desert sun. Yet questions linger about maintaining these lush green spaces in one of the world's driest climates. King Fahd International Stadium. A few miles away in Riyadh, the King Fahd International Stadium is undergoing a significant transformation. Originally opened in 1987, its iconic Bedouin tent-inspired design has long been a cultural landmark. The ongoing renovations will increase its capacity to 70,000 and add modern amenities while preserving its heritage. This stadium will play a pivotal role in the tournament, hosting semi-final matches. It represents a perfect blend of old and new, reflecting Saudi Arabia's respect for its past while charging boldly into the future. Neom Stadium. Next up is a venue that truly pushes boundaries. Nothing embodies Saudi Arabia's futuristic ambitions quite like Neom. The 170-kilometer linear city, famously dubbed The Line, will house one of the World Cup's most unique venues, the Neom Stadium. Perched 350 meters above ground, this stadium will hold 46,000 spectators and operate entirely on renewable energy. Designed to align with Neom's overarching commitment to sustainability, the stadium will utilize cutting-edge technologies, including solar and wind energy, to power its operations. Its carbon-neutral construction methods and smart systems aim to minimize the environmental footprint, making it a global benchmark for green stadiums. Its innovative vertical design incorporates panoramic glass walls, providing breathtaking views of the Red Sea and surrounding desert. Inside, fans will experience a state-of-the-art viewing environment with holographic displays, augmented reality elements, and ultra-high-speed connectivity to live game updates and fan engagement. Now, how feasible is it to transport tens of thousands of fans to such an extraordinary height? Transporting them efficiently will require solutions as groundbreaking as the stadium itself. Nonetheless, the Neom Stadium aims to redefine what's possible in stadium architecture, blending innovation, sustainability, and luxury to create an unparalleled World Cup experience. Prince Mohammed bin Salman Stadium. Rising dramatically onto two white cliffs, the Prince Mohammed bin Salman Stadium is designed to redefine the spectator experience. Its location offers breathtaking views of the cliffs and surrounding landscapes, adding an awe-inspiring backdrop to its every event. The stadium's retractable roof and field make it a multifunctional marvel, seamlessly transitioning between football matches, esports tournaments, drone racing, and other large-scale events. The LED-covered facade not only enhances its futuristic appeal, but also serves as a dynamic display, showcasing live game updates, artistic light shows, and interactive fan messages. At night, the stadium becomes a glowing beacon visible from miles away, symbolizing the kingdom's commitment to blending tradition with innovation. With a capacity of 46,979, the venue incorporates smart technologies like augmented reality fan zones, advanced crowd management systems, and energy-efficient design. King Abdullah Sports City Stadium. Moving west to Jeddah, the King Abdullah Sports City Stadium, affectionately known as the Shining Duel, is already a landmark. Built in 2014, its geometric design draws inspiration from Islamic art. Currently undergoing renovations, this 58,432-seat venue will meet FIFA's highest standards and host several high-stakes matches. The stadium's ventilation systems and shading structures ensure comfort for fans during the hottest days, making it a model for climate-conscious design in the region. Rashan Stadium. The Rashan Stadium will combine aesthetics and practicality in Riyadh's southwestern district. With a capacity of 46,000 and a footprint of 450,000 square meters, this stadium pushes the boundaries of designs. Its organic structure appears to rise naturally from the desert, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Slated for completion in 2032, the Rashan Stadium is a testament to Saudi Arabia's commitment to creating venues that captivate both visually and functionally. Shifting gears, let's look at how sustainability is becoming a cornerstone of these projects. South Riad Stadium. The South Riad Stadium is a prime example of sustainable innovation. Designed to host 47,060 fans, this venue features drought-resistant landscaping and rainwater harvesting systems. Its sleek design integrates traditional Saudi architecture with modern efficiency, ensuring its legacy as an environmentally conscious facility. And this is crucial because it sets a standard for future developments in a region often criticized for its ecological challenges. New Moraba Stadium. Another addition to Riyadh's skyline is the new Moraba Stadium. Its design draws inspiration from the bark of the native acai trees, incorporating rugged textures and sandy tones. With a capacity of 46,010, this venue will host not only football matches but also concerts, exhibitions, and gaming events. As a part of the larger New Moraba downtown project, it aims to be a hub of cultural and social activity. Jeddah Stadium. Perched along the Red Sea, the Jeddah Stadium takes versatility to a new level. Its 46,096 seats will witness football's greatest stars, but post-tournament, the stadium will be reconfigured into a smaller venue with 25,000 seats. This transformation ensures its long-term relevance as a center for esports, concerts, and community events. Jeddah Central Development Stadium. Located in the historic Al Balad district of Jeddah, this stadium blends traditional design with cutting-edge technology. Its 45,794 seats surround a kinetic roof system that adapts to the region's climate, offering fans a comfortable viewing experience. This venue also aims to promote healthier lifestyles in Jeddah's vibrant urban landscape. Prince Faisal bin Fahd Stadium. One of the kingdom's oldest stadiums, the Prince Faisal bin Fahd Stadium is being revitalized for the World Cup, with a new capacity of 46,865. This venue pays homage to Saudi Arabia's rich history. Its sandy tones and tent-like design evoke the country's Bedouin roots, making it a culturally significant landmark. King Abdullah Economic City Stadium. Further north along the Red Sea, the King Abdullah Economic City Stadium embraces an organic design inspired by coral reefs. This 45,700-seat venue will serve as a multifunctional hub, hosting football matches, concerts, and exhibitions. Its integration with public spaces and green areas reflects Saudi Arabia's vision for sustainable urban development. The key takeaway here is that these venues are designed for immediate use and lasting impact, aligning with broader urban and cultural goals. King Saud University Stadium. The King Saud University Stadium in Riyadh, an existing venue, is being refurbished to increase its capacity to 46,000 while preserving its historical significance. The upgrades emphasize spectator comfort and modernize its facilities, ensuring it meets FIFA's exacting standards. Aramco Stadium. Situated in Al Khobar, the Aramco Stadium boasts a striking, spiraling design inspired by the Persian Gulf's mesmerizing whirlpools. This architectural wonder, with a capacity of 46,096, features overlapping translucent sails on its facade, allowing natural light to flood the interior while maintaining shade and ventilation. The elliptical bowl design ensures uninterrupted views for every spectator, creating an immersive experience for fans. Advanced cooling systems integrated with natural ventilation prioritize comfort, even in the region's intense heat. Beyond football, the stadium is designed to host concerts and large-scale events, making it a versatile centerpiece for the World Cup and beyond. Challenges. Saudi Arabia's World Cup plans are undeniably ambitious, but they're not without controversy. Sustainability is a major concern, particularly for venues requiring extensive greenery in a desert climate. Questions about the practicality of high-altitude stadiums like Neom also persist. Moreover, reports of labor violations have cast a shadow over the kingdom's mega-projects. Allegations of forced labor and unpaid wages among migrant workers have sparked global criticism. Ethical concerns about land clearances for projects like the line further complicate Saudi Arabia's efforts to reshape its global image. Despite these challenges, Saudi Arabia's vision for the 2034 FIFA World Cup is poised to leave a lasting legacy. Many of the stadiums are designed to be multifunctional, transporting into cultural and social hubs after the tournament. These developments align with the kingdom's vision's 2030 goals, emphasizing diversification and global engagement. Yet the question remains, can these architectural wonders live up to their promise? Will they serve as symbols of progress or monuments to excess? As the clock ticks down to 2034, the world watches with bated breath. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.